Hi, welcome to my math class. The intended audience is grade 3. The content or learning objective is to interpret area models to form rectangular arrays created by Madeline Countryman. Our vocabulary is square unit, area, and area model. Our first word is square unit, and a square unit is a square with sides that measure 1 unit used to measure area. Our first example shows 1 inch by 1 inch. So that is 1 square inch, and you write that as this right here. And then 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter. So your unit is squared, and that is used to measure area. And area is the total number of square units needed to cover a two-dimensional surface. In this first example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 square units is the area of this rectangle. Our last word is area model, which is a model in which two numbers being multiplied are represented by the dimensions of a rectangle, and their product is represented by the area of the rectangle. So here we have 1, 2, 3, so 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 times 3 is 18. And if we count those, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So those are equal, so that means that the area model is when you multiply these two numbers together. The length times the width is an example for a rectangle, and that is how you get your area. Our first example is the area of Benjamin's bedroom floor is shown on the grid to the right. Each box represents 1 square foot, so each of these boxes represent 1 square foot because it's area, and area units are in square units, so square feet. How many total square feet is Benjamin's floor? So first we have to label the side lengths, so let's count. This first side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 units or feet on this side. Then this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 feet is how long this side is. So now that we have our side lengths, right here we have to use a straight edge to draw a grid of equal size squares within the rectangle. So let's draw those out. So first we'll draw our vertical lines. So connecting one side to the other. Whoop. Right here, right here. And now we have to do, here, we'll redraw this one. Now our horizontal lines. Whoop. There we go. Now that we have all of our equal size squares within this rectangle, we can find the total number of squares. There's two different ways we could do this. We could count out each little box, or we can use the area model of multiplication to multiply the two side lengths to get how many total squares there are. So if we do that, we know the area equals length times width. And the length is 11 feet times the width, which is 9 feet. And we know 9 times 11 is 99. And we know in area, it's square units. And Ben's bedroom floor is in square feet. So that means his bedroom floor will have an area of 99 square feet. So that is what we got for our answer. We have 99 square units, which actually, that is mistaken. That is supposed to be feet. Or another way we could write it was 99 squared feet, but just write it like this instead. So now that we have that, we have our answer. So Ben's bedroom floor, it asks us how many total square feet is Ben's floor, and it's 99 squared feet. Our next question is to find the area of each of these rectangles, and we see that these are equal rectangles. They are the same size. So the first way we can do it is by counting each box. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 square units in this rectangle. And as we see, we know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units by 1, 2, 3 units. And since these are equal, we can see that this side is 4, and then this side is 3 units. So we have 4 units times 3 units, which we know 4 times 3 is 12. So our answer is 12 square units for the area of each of these rectangles. Thank you for watching my MathCast. I use the Engage New York website and the Math Vocab app.